If you want to delete your browsing history on Chromebook, then this video is for you. Hey, in this video, I'll show you a quick method to delete all your browsing history, download history, cookies, and cache file from your Chromebook. For that, simply open your Google Chrome browser, click on three-dot icon, hover your mouse to history settings. Now click on history option, or else you can also use Ctrl H. Here you will find your history setting page. Now to delete history, simply click on clear browsing data. Here click on advanced option, and from the time range drop down menu, simply select your preferred time, and here you will find the option to delete browsing and download history. However, if you also want to delete cookies and cache file, then you can simply select this option, then click on clear data button and wait for the process to complete. Once you have deleted all your browsing data, to verify, simply go to setting page, and here you will find that you don't have any browsing data. So that's it. This is a quick video on how you can delete your browsing history on Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.